Alright guys, we got a BMW engine right here, 3-liter inline 6. We're gonna be installing this brand new spark plug. This is Bosch. Recommend is the brand for this BMW. There's part number. You can see this is double platinum, ready to go. This is all pre-gap already. You're gonna need this special tools right here, 14mm, 12 points. The good thing about this socket right here for a spark plug is it's flexible right there, and then there's a magnet right on the tip of this socket, so you can see it's not gonna come out that easy. Okay, the spec on this, it depends on what engine you got. This socket here is a 14mm, you can see, and then on the diagram here, if it's a 14mm socket, we're gonna use 30 Newton meter. That would be 265 inch-pound or 22 foot-pound. So in this case, we're going to be using a Newton meter, 265 right here. Okay, so it's all set up. Alright, so this is all dialed up right here. The service info on BMW, they said that you don't have to put dielectric grease on the tread. I have no idea why. That's what they recommend, no dielectric grease in here. So I'm just gonna install that right on the hole, and then we'll put our torque wrench. There we go. Double check. There you go. That's torque to spec, and then we'll do the rest. Alright, that's it guys. Torque to spec. You're gonna need to have this special tools right here. Makes your life easy to have this tool with you. That's it.